Hello guys, welcome you all in the learning session of computer. Today we will learn the very basic of computer, that is the desktop. You know the very first screen which appears in front of you when you switch on your computer, what you call that? That is your desktop. So the first screen that appears in front of you when you start or switch on your computer is called desktop. Desktop contains so many small graphical pictures which represents items such as files. So the first screen which contains icons is called desktop. Now what this icon is? Icon is a small graphical symbol which shows the program, the software which you have saved on your desktop. Okay, now the desktop is having three parts. One is your start button, then is quick launch bar, and is notification area. Along with that, desktop contains so many icons on it which are small graphical symbols. Now let us discuss the taskbar. This taskbar is a long horizontal bar located at the bottom of the desktop. This is a long horizontal bar of yellow colored. It contains start button, quick launch bar, and notification area. So let us discuss first the start button. The start button is present at the bottom left corner of the taskbar. Now see the button present on the bottom left corner of this taskbar. It is a start button. When we click on the start button, a menu appears, a menu opens which is called start menu. Start button can be clicked to perform some common tasks, and these common tasks are selecting a program, starting a program, searching files and folders, and shutting down the computer system. So these are the various tasks which are performed by the start menu. Then comes the middle section. All open programs or application can be seen as small buttons on the middle section of the taskbar. This section is also referred as quick launch bar, where commonly used programs such as Google Chrome, MS Office, or OpenOffice applications, etc., whatever is installed on your computer can be seen on this quick launch bar. These applications which are saved on the quick launch bar can be opened with a single click. And the recent application which you have used, that is also saved on the quick launch bar. Then comes notification area. On the left bottom corner, there is start button on the taskbar, and right side of the taskbar is called notification area. This notification area contains clock and a few more icons which tells the programs running on the computer Wi-Fi connectivity and volume. This speaker shows the volume. We can adjust it according to our choice. Then battery status, how much battery is charged. So this Wi-Fi connectivity, volume, battery, these all are shown on the notification area. And the last button of this notification area is Show Desktop button. The Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar. So today we have learnt about what is desktop, very common topic. The screen which appears in front of you, first screen which appears to you when you start your work is your desktop. Okay, and the various parts of the desktop, taskbar and its various parts, start button, quick launch bar, notification area. So this all about desktop in today's video. In next video I will tell you what is a file, what are the extension files and file and folder, how to make a folder, how to insert files in the folder. So that's all for today.